What is an estate ba? I am Attorney Joshua Santiago, the managing partner of Javier Santiago Torres and Panghulan. Estate, basically, it's the box. So after, di ba, nung bata tayo, naglalaro tayo ng Monopoly or chess, after the game, everything goes back in the box. And that's what an estate is. After you're done with your life here on earth, everything you own goes back in the box. And the box is your estate. And what to do with your estate, that's where things get a bit difficult or complicated sometimes. Because, especially if the heirs are not in agreement, or there are unexpected heirs, such as illegitimate children who have been hidden from the family, or estranged wife na matagal nang naghiwalay pero hindi legally, and so the decedent is now stuck with partner, and then his estranged wife comes now to claim the property. Is that fair? No, that's why estate planning is so important, no, because you really don't want to burden your heirs. You, as if your passing was bad enough, is to avoid additional burdens on the part of your heirs, and secondly, so you can also designate who may or may not be compulsory heirs. So you can actually designate people who are not your relatives, who's not your spouse, who's not your children, up to half of your property, no? So you can give that away.